In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Todoist in Windows. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have the Todoist desktop app up and running on your Windows computer. I will also briefly point out where to go if you ever want the Mac version, but our main focus will be Windows. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type in Download and Install Todoist app and press enter. This will bring up the search results related to the Todoist desktop application. In the results, look for the official Todoist link that mentions the desktop app for Windows. It may be labeled something like Todoist for Windows or Desktop App Download. Make sure you're clicking on the official Todoist website, not a third-party site, to ensure you're getting the safest and most up-to-date version of the app. Once you've found it, click on that link to go to the download page. On the Todoist downloads page, you should see an option specifically for Windows. Look for a button that says Download for Windows, or something very similar. Confirm that it clearly mentions Windows to avoid downloading the wrong version. Go ahead and click on Download for Windows. Your browser will start downloading the installer file, usually to your downloads folder. Give the download a moment to complete. When it's finished, open your downloads folder or click the file directly from your browser's download bar. The file name will typically include Todoist and Setup or Installer. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. A setup window will open. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve agreeing to the terms and choosing an install location, or simply clicking Next a few times. When the installation finishes, you can choose to launch Todoist right away. Todoist should now open on your Windows desktop. From here, you can sign in with your existing account or create a new one and start organizing your tasks. If at any point you need the Mac version instead, just scroll a little further down on that same Todoist downloads page and you'll see an option for Mac. You would click on the Mac download button and follow a similar installation process on a Mac computer.